In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change keybinds in Locked 2 on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go up to the top left and select the three little dots and then hit the three lines just like so to open up this menu. And you need to hit settings from this menu. So select that and you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Go ahead and select the keybinds tab. We could see all of your controls for either keyboard or mouse and controllers. So select whatever one you're on. I'm going to choose keyboard or mouse since I'm on that right now. And you'll see all these different tabs just like so. These are essentially your controls. So you can use these default controls if you like, or what you could also do is customize them. For example, if I want like my flow state to be, I guess, number key 8 for whatever reason, I could go ahead and customize that. But that really is the entire process. It really is as simple as that. And once again, this works the exact same on controller. You could select this and see all of those controller buttons as well. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.